Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get infinity in Infinity Craft. First up, we're going to put water and then we can add fire. As you can see, we have steam. Now we can add a fire right here. Now we have the engine. Now we have to add another engine and we have the rocket. Now here, we just need to add a rocket and we have the satellite. And what you're going to do, we can add another water element and then add another water. Now we have lake and we can mix them together. Now we have Google. Now add another Google. Then we have Googleplex and finally add fire. So there you have it. We have the infinity. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.